Log into AWS Management Console, go to EC2 Dashboard. The selected EC2 instance is currently associated with 4 volumes. One is root volume and 3 are data volumes. When you are doing any application related critical changes, it is highly recommended to take the snapshot of the volumes. EBS snapshot is the point-in-time backup of your data. To take the snapshot of the EBS volume, select the volume, click on the volume ID. That will be redirected to the EBS volumes dashboard. Click on Actions, click on Create Snapshot. Give the description, then click on Create Snapshot. Click on Close. To see the status of these snapshots, click on Snapshots tab. Now you can see that currently the snapshot is getting created for the selected volume. You can see the progress as well here. Let me refresh the screen. Now the snapshot is completed. If in case the data has got corrupted because of the changes which you have performed on the server side, if the data has to be restored, then we can create a volume from the snapshot, then select the snapshot, click on Actions, can click on Create a Volume. This time the volume will be get created from the selected snapshot ID. That ensures that all the data which was taken at the time of taking the snapshot will be now completely restored to this new volume. Just scroll down and click on Create a Volume. Click on Close. Now you can go back to the volume section. You can see that there is a new volume got created which is in available state. This new volume is created from the snapshot as a source. That means it will include all the data which was taken at the time of snapshot. Then you can click on Actions, click on Attach the volume, then select the instance from the drop down and click on Attach, so that this volume is now attached to the EC2 instances. You can log into EC2 instances, can mount this volume to restore the data.